The advent of the social media has made information dissemination quickly and effectively. People can now gain access to any kind of information merely through their social media pages. As a result of this is a growth in the mode of sharing trends information on social media platforms. Such information always has significant importance to a given audience. As a result, social media users take advantage of the trending information to seek media attention. You can as well make good use of trending information on social media to promote your brand on Instagram. It should be noted that not all trending message might be relevant to your brand. However, you can use the information on these trends to come up with a promotional message that suits your brand. Always try to find a common ground between trending information and your projected promotional message to your audience. If this is done the right way, trends can be invaluable in increasing the numbers of followers of your Instagram page, thereby assisting you in meeting your promotional goals.